Hi there. Welcome to Tech Too Fast. I'm your host, Lance. If you're new here, we delve into the most cutting-edge developments in science and technology, breaking them down into bite-sized pieces for you. Today, we're going to explore a topic that could potentially revolutionize the world as we know it. It's a concept that, while complex, has the potential to change the course of human health and disease forever. We're talking about gene editing. Now, buckle up as we take a journey into the microscopic world of genetic manipulation. Let's dive right in. Have you ever pondered the boundless potential of gene editing and its implications for the future of humanity? Imagine a world where we wield the power to rewrite the very code of life itself, to transform medicine as we know it. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a reality we're inching closer to each day thanks to the groundbreaking field of gene editing. This technology, with systems like CRISPR-Cas9 at the forefront, can potentially cure diseases that were once considered incurable. From genetic disorders to infectious diseases like HIV, AIDS, and malaria, gene editing offers us the tantalizing prospect of a world free from these devastating illnesses. However, as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, we must tread with caution. The potential to alter life at its most fundamental level is a power that comes with great responsibility. With such immense possibilities, however, come substantial ethical questions. One of the most groundbreaking tools in gene editing is CRISPR-Cas9. This ingenious tool, a marvel of modern science, is essentially a pair of molecular scissors, designed to cut and replace specific sections of DNA with unparalleled precision. But how does it work exactly? Well, let's delve into the science behind it. CRISPR-Cas9 is an abbreviation for clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats and CRISPR-associated protein 9. But don't let this mouthful of scientific jargon intimidate you. Picture a library. Here, the DNA is like a vast collection of books, each containing instructions for making a part of you. Now, imagine you need to fix a typo in one of these books. That's where CRISPR-Cas9 comes in. CRISPR, the librarian, is familiar with every book on the shelves and can locate the book with the typo. It guides Cas9, the scissors, to the exact page, line, and word that needs correcting. Cas9 then cuts out the typo, and a new, correct piece of text is inserted in its place. This process is repeated until the typo is completely corrected. Now, replace book with cell and typo with faulty gene. That's the basic principle of CRISPR-Cas9. It's a targeted, efficient way to edit our genetic code, fixing errors that could lead to disease. Scientists around the world are harnessing the power of CRISPR-Cas9 to develop new treatments for diseases like HIV, AIDS, and malaria. For instance, they are editing immune cells to make them resistant to HIV, or modifying mosquitoes to prevent them from carrying malaria. These are just a few examples of the potential applications of this revolutionary technology. But as with any powerful tool, it's not without its challenges and ethical considerations. We must tread carefully, ensuring we use CRISPR-Cas9 responsibly, and with respect for the intricacies of life it allows us to manipulate. This revolutionary technology might just be the key to fighting infectious diseases. But as we unlock the potential of CRISPR-Cas9, we must also unlock a robust ethical framework to guide its use. After all, with great power comes great responsibility. But with great power comes great responsibility. This axiom rings true when we delve into the ethical considerations of gene editing. The ability to rewrite the very code of life opens up immense possibilities, but it also presents us with complex moral dilemmas. When we consider altering human genes, questions arise. What if these alterations inadvertently lead to unforeseen health issues down the line? Or worse, what if this technology falls into the wrong hands and is used unethically or maliciously? The potential risks of gene editing are substantial, and they underscore the importance of careful regulation and oversight. We must ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically. Decisions made today will have profound implications for future generations, shaping the trajectory of our species. The moral implications of gene editing are as vast as the potential benefits. As we venture into this brave new world, we must tread with caution and wisdom. So, to recap, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of gene editing and the powerful CRISPR-Cas9 system. We've seen how this revolutionary technology is being harnessed to combat infectious diseases, creating new possibilities for treatments. From HIV/AIDS to malaria, the potential applications of CRISPR-Cas9 are immense, promising a future where these diseases may no longer hold sway. However, alongside this potential, we've also delved into the ethical considerations that accompany such power. We've questioned the implications of altering the very fabric of life, of the potential consequences of wielding this scientific sword. The ethical landscape is as complex as the science itself, compelling us to tread carefully. The question isn't just can we, but should we? As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we must ensure that our actions today do not compromise the future. Scene 6. Engage with tech too fast. And that, dear viewers, brings us to the end of our exploration today. But the journey does not have to end here. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay informed about the latest advancements in gene editing, CRISPR-Cas9, and other fascinating technologies, then I invite you to join our community here at Tech Too Fast. By subscribing to our channel, you become part of a group of curious minds committed to understanding and navigating the future. And if you want to make sure you never miss an update from us, don't forget to ring that notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Remember, knowledge is power, and by staying informed, we can all contribute to the responsible evolution of technology. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep growing.